मणिपुर इज पार्ट ऑफ दिस कंट्री। ये सबको बोलने के लिए मैं तो इधर आया है। ये मई में प्रॉब्लम आया उसी वक्त सीपीएम का ये डेलीगेशन विजिटेड मणिपुर, हमने मणिपुर गया था। इसके अलावा मैंने खुद होम मिनिस्टर से मुलाकात हुआ था as part of an all party meeting. We had told the home minister that if the double engine government is sincere to douse the fire of Manipur, the prime minister should lead an all party delegation to Manipur. हमने बोला ये 18-19 महीने के पहले हमने ये बोला है। The prime minister has time to roam around the world. He has visited so many countries. अभी तक उनको वक्त मिला नहीं है हमारा देश का मणिपुर इलाके में जाने के लिए, उनको अभी तक वक्त मिला है। This is a shame on this government, and the country is united that Manipur should be protected, but the state has been on fire for last 19 months, and हम बार-बार ये मामला रेस कर रहे हैं। We are raising this issue on the floor of the parliament. Even now, after so many months, the treasury benches haven't permitted us to raise this issue in parliament, either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. And the chief minister, Mr. Biren Singh, he is part of the problem. He has to resign immediately. And the government of India should make sure that the country is taken into confidence, the people of Manipur is taken into confidence. My party is with Manipur. Save Manipur, save India. Lal Salam.